Welcome back to CryptoFi. Today we're taking a closer look at ONDO, one of the hottest names in the crypto market right now. Everyone's talking about it, but what's the real story behind ONDO? Can it really break the $1 barrier and go even further? Stay tuned, because in the next few minutes, we'll break it all down for you. Part 1. What is ONDO? First, let's keep it simple. ONDO is a project designed to tokenize real-world assets. What does that mean? Imagine you could take things like U.S. treasuries, bonds, or other financial instruments and bring them on-chain. That's what ONDO does. It makes these assets tradable in crypto. This is powerful because it connects two worlds, the safety and yield of traditional finance with the speed and flexibility of crypto. So instead of parking your money in a bank, you could earn stable yields directly through ONDO's ecosystem. Part 2. Why is ONDO growing so fast? Now here's why ONDO is making noise. Institutions and big players are actively looking for tokenized solutions. The financial world is slowly moving onto the blockchain, and ONDO is one of the first movers. It's not just another meme coin pumping on hype. This one has real utility. The market is shifting towards projects that solve real problems, and ONDO is ahead of the curve. That's why its community is expanding, partnerships are forming, and demand for the token is rising. Part 3. The current buzz. If you've been scrolling through crypto Twitter or watching YouTube, you've probably noticed ONDO trending everywhere. The hype is not random. It's based on adoption. Every time a new wave of investors realizes that ONDO provides access to safe, yield-bearing assets in crypto, the narrative grows stronger. And let's be honest, narratives drive prices in this market. When people believe in the story, they jump in. That's what we're seeing with ONDO right now. Part 4. Price Outlook. Okay, let's talk about the big question, price. As of now, ONDO is still trading under $1. That makes it look cheap for many retail investors, and we all know how psychology works in crypto. People love the idea of grabbing something under $1. Analysts expect ONDO could first retest previous highs, and if momentum continues, $1 is a realistic short-term target. Beyond that, if adoption keeps growing and institutions keep tokenizing assets, ONDO has the potential to create new all-time highs. But here's a reminder, nothing goes straight up. Crypto moves in waves, pumps, retracements, and consolidations. Smart investors use those pullbacks as entry points instead of chasing green candles. Part 5. Long-term vision. Looking further ahead, ONDO's vision is what makes it stand out. The crypto world is slowly maturing, moving away from pure speculation toward real-world use cases. Tokenized assets are expected to be a multi-trillion-dollar market in the next decade, and ONDO is positioning itself to be a leader in that space. If the team keeps delivering and adoption keeps climbing, ONDO could become one of the most important projects in bridging traditional finance with crypto. And that's our deep dive into ONDO. Right now, it's one of the most exciting projects in the space with strong fundamentals and a powerful narrative. But remember, always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights here on CryptoFi. I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below. Do you think ONDO will hit $1 this year? Until next time, keep learning, keep earning, and keep crypto smart.